Hello and welcome everyone, this is Mendy and today we are going to change the key fob of my Mark 5 636 VW Polo to a Mark 8 Golf Key shell. So nothing wrong with my OEM key, it works absolutely fine but it looks quite boring and old. So I decided to make it a bit more interesting and modern. So let's get started. First we will dismantle both the keys, and it is quite easy to dismantle the MK8 Golf Key with a trim remover or a screwdriver. But the OEM key was a bit tricky, so I got it done with a local key maker, or you can do it by yourself or get it done by a professional. Now we'll put the board in here, and this is the key. I have already swapped them, and it goes in here like this. Then we'll put this part in place. Yeah. Now we'll put this spring and this part, align it and rotate it anti-clockwise twice. 1, 2, and we'll just click this. Now you can check it whether it's opening or not. This one is not opening. Pops, but it is not popping correctly. We'll tighten these screws. The other screw over here. We'll put the battery, and it goes in here like this. And now we'll check it. Yeah, it's working quite. You can see. And we'll place this string back. So now the key looks so much pretty and modern and good for the eyes to see. Thank you for watching.